In this lesson, we're gonna understand the 5 types of VM status. The first is turned off, the way it will be when it is created. In the pause type, it is when the machine is on and I want to pause what it is processing to continue from where I left off. It is like blocking the screen, for example. In the save machine state, it is possible to shut down the VM, keeping the session and what was running working the same way as the hibernate option. In ACPI shutdown, a shutdown signal is sent, the same as that sent when we press the power button when the computer is on. And the last option, power off. When we force the shutdown, it is important to use this option only when necessary, as it can damage the guest operating system. To exemplify, I'm gonna install Ubuntu desktop. Here below, I left you the download link. To download, just open your browser, go to ubuntu.com, click on download, and then on this Ubuntu desktop option. While the download complete, I'm gonna quickly create the virtual machine and we're gonna test the shutdown options. Click in New, Ubuntu Desktop, keep Linux, keep Ubuntu 64-bit, continue, 1 GB RAM, continue, create new hard drive, or VDI, continue. I'm gonna change it for 20 gigabytes. Create and OK. Okay, download is finished and let's go to install it. In this part, I'm gonna speed up the installation process. Now, with Ubuntu installed, we're gonna test the shutdown options. Start with the pause. For it, click in menu bar on Machine Pause. The screen is in shade of gray, symbolizing the pause activated. And when we come back, as you can see, it remains where it left off. To test the Save Machine State, I'm going to click on Close button, and a pop-up is presented when choose the Save Machine State option. And OK, the machine gonna be completely turned off, as you can see. And I can even turn off my physical computer, that when I turn on again the VM will continue where we left off, including showing here in the thumbnail the last screen of the VM. To start again, just click on Start. And to discard the saved state, just click on Discard. On the other hand, Shutdown in this case of Ubuntu works, but no all guest operating system will accept this type of shutdown. I'm gonna start it again. For show you the last option. And lastly, we have the power off. For test it, I'm gonna click on the close button, select power off the machine, and click OK. This option which forces the shutdown of the VM. And OK, we stop here. I hope you are enjoying this powerful tool. See you around.